Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I just got back from Trader Joe's. I wanted to do a quick little food haul and let you guys know what I got there. And I like to show you guys when they have new items there. Unfortunately, they don't let me film in there. So in order for me to show you new products, I have to go buy them. So I didn't get too much. I just want to show you what I have. Not everything in here is brand new. And some things maybe you saw at your Trader Joe's that I just haven't seen at mine. But some of the other things are just little things that I like. So let's get started. First things first, we have a delicious mango. I wanted a mango. I haven't had a mango in a while. Smoked paprika. This is not new, but I found it pretty hard to find smoked paprika other than Trader Joe's. Other than that, I can't find it at any other stores around me. You probably have to order it online, but Trader Joe's has it, and this is a game changer. Put smoked paprika. It's a little bit better than just regular paprika, so check that out. These are new in my Trader Joe's. These are plant-based Baby Bell cheese, little individual cheese snacks. They're coated in like wax. You take it off, you snack on them. I actually first had these at my brother's house. My little niece, Charlotte, said, "Uncle Chris, can you get that out of the refrigerator for me?" And I'm like, "This?" She's like, "Yeah." I'm like, "Oh, that looks good. Can I have one?" She's like, "Yeah." So we snacked on some cheese, and I think Target has these too. So check those out. I'm very particular with my jelly or jam. There's really only one I really found that I liked, and that's a Wegmans brand. But last year during my movie, someone that was helping out went and grabbed some food and snacks for catering, and they grabbed this particular jam. It's a raspberry one, and I really like it. I just used the last of mine today, so I had to go there and get another one. This is raspberry. They also have strawberry. Strawberries, I think, $4. This is $4.50. And I really like it, so I had to get that. This is what it looks like up close. All right. Also, I don't think this is new, but I've never got these before, and I really love olives. Not all kinds of olives, but certain kind of olives, and these are organic pitted Kalamata olives, and these were only $2.99. So I got these because I like to snack on olives once in a while and put them in a salad, whatever. What else do we have? This is new to me. I've never seen this before.
Japchae.
That's a whole meal. If I feel lazy one of these nights and I don't want to cook something, I just throw this in the microwave or on the stove. And this is a Korean sweet potato glass noodles and vegetable stir fry. So, and if you are looking for a good burger, but you're not trying to get something that's overly processed like Beyond or Impossible, these are really good. Believe me, I love these. These are vegetable Masala Burger, and I'm pretty sure that they're a lot better for you than the other ones too. They're less processed and they got more whole foods in there. So I like these ones. These are, I think, $3.39. I could be wrong, but they're pretty affordable. 4 burgers in here, Masala Burger. Check them out. And also, I like to put mango in my smoothies along with frozen banana. I got frozen mango. This was not that much money. It was like $3 something, and pretty decent bag of chopped up frozen mango. And then last, this is brand new. I just found out this today. This is called Kimbap. It's a Korean tofu and vegetable seaweed rice roll. It's vegan sushi. And it comes in this nice little cylinder kind of package here. So I'll have to check that out and let you guys know what I think of it. But that's it. I know Trader Joe's often has different things at different, sometimes I find something that's brand new to me, and some of you guys in the comments are like, "Oh, we've had that for 2 years." So this is just what I found at my Trader Joe's, what's available to me, and some of the newer items and some of the items that I just like. So altogether, this was $30.01. So things are getting pretty pricey because, as you can see, I didn't get too many things, but $30. So I guess it wasn't that affordable, but these are some of the newer items and some of the things that I like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Trader Joe's food haul, even though it was pretty short. If you did, smash that like button. And remember, subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and hey, maybe I'll see you next time.